Hi friends, today I am going to discuss the things related to the terrain creation or DTM creation in Civil 3D. It is very simple. I am also learning and I am making the video on that. Okay, friends, if you want to training of the Open Routes Designer, I am mentioning the link below. Please note that it is chargeable. Okay, if you are interested, please contact me. Okay, now let's start DTM creation or terrain creation. So we have break lines and points. From these things we can create. Okay, so just make sure that prospector view is available. Okay, then go to surfaces, right click, create surfaces. Okay, now it will open the submenu. Okay, surface one has been created. Now what happened? I am going to add the break lines. Just click here, add standard, then OK. I'm just selecting this. That's it. Then enter. Okay. There is no worry about the error. See, DTM has been created with these lines. See. Now, if you want to show the triangles, go to edit surface style. Then here, OK. See, triangles will get displayed. Now what? With break lines we have created. Now I am going to add what points in this thing. Okay, for that let's go to, first of all you have to convert these AutoCAD points to Kogo points. So for that you have to go points, then create points. Here point creation description should be automatic, otherwise it will ask for every point. So just close it. Now go to point groups. Wait, no, sorry. Go to points again. Once this is done, okay, point creation, man automatic, then go to points, then go to utilities, then convert from AutoCAD points. Okay, just select the point entire area. Whatever the AutoCAD points are there, it can be converted into Kogo points. That is for Civil 3D. Okay, it will take time. See, 48872 points have been found. Okay, done. See, points has been created. See, if you click on this, it will show Kogo point 4536. Okay, that's it. Now points only created. We have to add this to the surface. So before that, I want to draw a boundary. Let's wait for boundary. What I'm doing to do. I'm just going to offset it. So for that, I'm converting this 3D line to 2D. Okay, done. Then offset set 80. Okay, okay, that's it. I'm going to add these two lines to here. Clipboard, paste original coordinates. Done. Then I will join with some polyline. Okay, here also. Sorry, this join option. Boundary has been created, but here we need to add this also. Join. That's it. Boundary created. So just click here. Definition, boundaries, add outer. That's it. It will remove the extra triangulation. Now what left? I need to add the point groups. So for that, go to point groups. See, if you see here, all points has been created. Okay, so if you want separate, you can bifurcate also. So point groups, then add. Okay, sorry. Okay, done. Done. See, if you want to show only triangulation, then go to edit surface style, major contour, minor contour. That's it. Off. See. Okay. Okay. Triangulation is done. Once it is created, you can delete these also. That can be done. Just go here. Wait. Edit. Delete lines. See. Extra triangulation can be deleted just by clicking here. That's it. Then here also. That's it. See, very smooth surface has been created. Okay, guys, that's it. I hope the basic flow is that you have to create a surface, then you have to add break lines, and then after that you have to convert the points to Kogo points, AutoCAD points to Kogo points. That is the option here. Convert from AutoCAD points. That's it. Then what else? You can create a boundary and you can add it. That's it. After that you have to add. That's it, and simply apply. Okay, once it is done, just give a rebuild option. Okay, that's it. I hope you like the video. Guys, please contact for Open Roads Designer training if you want. Okay, personally. Okay, it will be like all things will be covered. It's not a institutional training, it will be a personal training. Okay, I will cover maximum syllabus in that one. Thank you guys for listening. That's it. Please subscribe my channel.